How does emotional stress reconfigure migraine pain pathways? Imagine your brain as a busy city with roads carrying signals from your senses and emotions. When stress hits, it's like a traffic jam that changes how these roads work. Emotional stress can really shake up the way your brain processes pain, especially in migraines. It does this by affecting the brain regions that handle both pain and feelings. When you're stressed, your autonomic nervous system, which controls automatic functions like heart rate and digestion, shifts into a high gear. This increases sympathetic nervous system activity, making your body more alert, while reducing parasympathetic activity, which calms things down. This imbalance can cause inflammation in the nervous system and changes in blood vessels, both of which can trigger or worsen migraines. Certain brain areas are key players here. The periaqueduct gray and the rostral ventromedial medulla are involved in controlling pain signals. These regions connect to the amygdala, which processes fear and anxiety, and the hippocampus, which is linked to memory and emotion. When stress activates the amygdala, it boosts feelings of anxiety and emotional distress. At the same time, the prefrontal cortex, which normally helps regulate emotions and pain, becomes less effective. This shift makes pain signals stronger and easier to trigger. Chronic stress also messes with neurotransmitters like serotonin, which helps regulate pain. High levels of stress hormones like cortisol can cause blood vessels to constrict, reducing oxygen flow to the brain and possibly sparking a migraine. Over time, this ongoing stress and imbalance keep the nervous system in a heightened state, a process called central sensitization. This means your nervous system becomes more sensitive to pain, making migraines more frequent and intense. Studies show that in people with migraines under stress, certain brain areas like the anterior cingulate cortex and insula show less gray matter. This reduction is linked to more migraines and emotional issues like depression. These changes are the brain's way of adapting poorly to ongoing stress, reinforcing pain pathways and emotional struggles. Understanding this connection highlights why managing emotional stress is so important. Techniques like cognitive behavioral therapy can help you learn to control stress responses. This can help restore balance in your brain's pain and emotion circuits, possibly reducing how often and how severely migraines happen. In short, emotional stress reconfigures migraine pain pathways by upsetting the balance of the nervous system, activating emotional brain regions, changing neurotransmitter levels, and making your pain pathways more sensitive. All these factors work together to increase your chances of experiencing migraines and make them feel worse.